Right, so here we are outside the Bali Bird Park. Now this is a really good attraction to go to if you've got a little bit of time when you're in Bali. And so let's go check out the birds, huh?
Hi everyone, it's Kal and Christy. Today we're visiting the Bali Bird Park in Gianyar, not far from Ubud. The park covers about 2 hectares and is home to over 1,000 birds representing more than 250 species. Walking around feels like stepping into different parts of Indonesia and the world, with beautiful landscape gardens and open aviaries. We've seen giant hornbills, colourful parrots and even a Komodo dragon, which was definitely a highlight. One of the best parts is joining in the feeding sessions and free flight shows where you can watch the birds up close and even take photographs with them. What makes this place so special is it's just not a tourism centre. It is also about conservation. They work hard to protect endangered species and raise awareness about Indonesia's rich bird life.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Let's start with right, come Jack. Let's go. Okay, not yet. All right. Thank you. Where's the food? Okay, the food is gone already.
Probably thinks it's chicken. Is he okay? Hello. Oh. How you doing? Huh? Hello? What do you reckon? Beautiful bird. There's a bit of weight to him too, isn't there?
Berapa kilo beratnya?
Ini sekitar 2 kilo.
2 kilo beratnya. Makannya apa makannya?
Makannya buah-buah.
Oh, nggak makan biji-bijian?
Ini enggak.
Oh, just eating fruits.
Yeah.
Makannya pisang dan paya.
Eating banana and
Right.
eating pawpaw.
And pawpaw too.
Yeah.
There you go. How does that? And the eyelashes. And the eyelashes. Great, aren't they?
Ini rangkok Sulawesi.
Sulawesi. Yeah, yeah.
Probably preventing the bird.
Over here, look. Pretty cool, huh?
Kalau ini apa, Dad?
Lovely. Oh, wait. It's alright. It's gone. Really, it's a moon.
I thought it was a phone. Vibration. Look at this one.
Yep.
Not quite. I think it's
Very deep. Okay, let's go through.
We really enjoyed our time here. It's a great place for families, nature lovers, or anyone looking to relax, surrounded by tropical beauty. We are really enjoying our time here, and if you're ever in Bali, Bali Bird Park is worth a visit.
No, no. It is true.
Come on.
No, it's true. It's absolutely true.